I burned my ear with a curling iron. Do you see that red spot? When I'm mentally unstable, yoga breathing helps to calm me down. This Lululemon mask is supposed to make my life easier, but apparently it's not. Today, I'm going to show you how to modify this Lululemon double strap mask. Originally, this mask is designed for active activities. In order to make this mask works for everyday routine, we need to adjust it. No complication task involved in this project, just hand sewing. Actions come with risks, but don't be afraid if you're gonna ruin it. Cutting them out is like toxic people around us. Since they cause us difficulties, they're not worth keeping. Find the right length that fits you. Mine is 7 inches, but your length can be as long as you like, as long as it's right, as it suits your life. Everything will be light. Burn the end of the cut to prevent it from fraying. We are using fire for this step. Be careful. You don't want to burn yourself, since burning the bridge from those toxic people is already enough for you. We are living in a time that everything is manufactured in mass. Things that were assumed that they would comply you. Things that you purchased, but they were not made specifically for you. But you have a choice, and you choose to claim what is yours. And as you're watching right now, it's not complicated. It also doesn't take time to make it yours. Don't be hesitate to assist your own living. Don't be afraid to take actions. Life is about solving problems. Life is about taking risks. But once the problems are solved, the reward is yours.